What's Ice? Ito ang perfume na review natin for tonight's video. Okay? So, bakit nga ba natin nire-review ulit si Hawas Ice? Kasi wala pa pala ako na-upload na review nitong si Hawas Ice sa ating TikTok page. Okay? And ito si Hawas Ice, nakita nyo naman, within a few months, gamit na gamit ko na siya. And it's one of the most complimented perfumes that I have in my collection. And as well as, ito yung isa sa mga beast mode natin na perfume. Alright, so, in terms of the price of Hawas Ice, currently, I think, naglalaro na siya sa 2,000 to 2,200 pesos. When I got this was back in November 2025. The price was just 1,500. Okay? Now, in terms of presentation, gusto ko yung bote ni Hawas Ice kasi it's clear and then may pagka-gradient siya from light or dark blue from the bottom pataas, medyo nagiging light blue. And then, ang ganda ng kanyang cap. As you all know, meron siyang parang snake na nakapalibot sa kanya. And it has weight onto it, though it's not magnetic. Ganda, solid na solid yung kanyang cap. And then the atomizer is silver. And in terms of the sprayer, okay, ganda ng kanyang buga. Okay, so in terms of the performance of Hawas Ice, pagka-open niya, amoy na amoy mo na kagad yung kanyang plum, lemon, bergamot, at saka yung apple. Fresh yung na parang may pagka-bubblegum siya. And amoy na amoy mo rin yung parang sea notes niya, okay, na amoy dagat na medyo maalat. Yun yung mga combination ng kanyang amoy. So, it also brings out yung pagka minty or yung pagka fresh niya kasi naamoy mo kagad yung pagka citrusy at saka yung kanyang pagka aromatic na amoy. Ito yung Hawas Ice na signature na different from the Hawas original or the Invictus Aqua na kanyang ginagaya. Alright, so yan si Hawas Ice. Now, in terms of projection, grabe tong si Hawas Ice. Within probably 3 meters, maamoy ka ng mga tao. Especially pagka kaka-apply mo pa lang sa kanya. And then, scent trail niya, grabe, ganun din. Pag lalakad ka, maamoy ka rin ng mga tao nasa paligid mo. Ngayon pa lang, yan, this small room that I have right here, parang maamoy na siya ng lahat ng taong nasa loob ng room na to. So, ganyan siya. So, it only takes a few sprays, probably 4 to 5 maximum. If you're gonna use this, gusto mong maamoy ka ng mga nasa paligid mo. Okay? And in terms of the longevity, this one, I'd say na it is going to project up until 6 hours na period. Okay, malakas siya from 2 to 4 hours up until 6 hours, nagpo-project pa rin siya. And then, magiging skin scent na siya around 8 hours. And then, around 10 to 12 hours yan, medyo nag-fade na yung amoy niya. Now, sa damit naman, ganoon din, it actually lasts a little longer, 10 hours sa damit. And then, siguro mawala na siya the following day pag in-apply niya. Kasi naamoy ko pa rin siya when I started spraying sa unang part ng shift hanggang kinabukasan pagkakuha ko ng t-shirt ko from the clothespin, naamoy ko pa rin. Ganong kalakas tong si Hawas Ice. Now, it's already 2026. I know this has been highly recommended in the last couple of months, actually a year, when it came out. And I think this is still a good suggestion or a good perfume to recommend for 2026. Lalo na ngayon summer, if you want to stay cool, amoy fresh ka, bagong ligo, and plum, and parang pagka bubblegum, ito yun. Ito yung pwedeng gamitin mo if you want to get also compliments. Okay? For the price of 2,200 pesos, I think it's still worth it also. kung makukuha nyo siya na mas mura, if ever marami tayong supply ng Hawas Ice sa market, then of course magmumura siya, much better. Pero sa 2,200 pesos na range, 4 to 5 sprays in a given day, siguro magagamit mo to 6 months to a year. Ayan. So tipid na rin. Okay, so yan na muna ating review for Hawas Ice. Actually, the other reason why maraming times ko nagamit to and konti na lang yung kanyang juices, it's also a good combo for layering sa ibang mga perfumes natin. Pansin nyo, most of my videos, karamihan lang nililayer natin kasama si Hawas Ice. So that really says a lot about this perfume. So highly recommended pa rin for me. Okay, so that's it for our video tonight. If you have any questions and suggestions, please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you again soon. Bye!